the shade, waiting on the sunset.
Which is about an hour and a half away at this current juncture in time. We got up here a little earlier than we really needed to. That's all right.
Wow. That's kind of how they do
the arrowheads.
Okay, so I read that the reason this spot is called the Dead Horse State Park is the land juts out. Okay, juts out, and at the very end, it's fairly narrow, but there's like they call it a gooseneck, where it's extremely narrow as you go back a little ways. And what they would do, and I don't know who they is, honestly.
The old cowboys.
That's somebody, yeah. They would rustle, no, they would herd wild Mustang to the end of this point, and block them in by putting, like I said, sticks and rocks and things across that narrow gooseneck part, and then they would go in and call out the best Mustangs, and then would leave all of the rest there without food and water, which of course, thus the name Dead Horse Point. That's one of the reasons I heard it or read.
Kind of ridiculous to think that people would do that, but I guess that's just how they rolled back in the day. So anyways, at least according to the brochure, that's why it's called Dead Horse Point. So glad that's not the case anymore, but we do have some good views up here.
There's two weirdos over there.